So guys, make sure to stay until the end, because if you make one common mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stay until the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you guys need to find where the relay for the air conditioner clutch is located, which relay controls the air conditioner system, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. For the air conditioner clutch guys, where you can expect to find the relay, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Challenger here. By the way guys, quick reminder, we have more than one fuse boxes in it. Most people do not know where they're located. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Dodge Challenger. The first thing guys that we need to do, we need to open the hood, and once you open the hood here on the driver's side, on the passenger side, okay, you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs right here, okay? These two at the same time, lift the cover, and you're going to find underneath a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, we need to check up to two different relays for the AC system, AC clutch, AC compressor. By the way, if your air conditioner blows hot air, AC doesn't work, you want to see what causes that, we have multiple videos on the channel that will teach you guys how to fix it, what to check and all that stuff, freon, compressor, clutches, everything guys. But now in that fuse box here, we need to guys check a few things. We need to check one relay here, one in another one. Starting on this side, that's relay 40, 41, 43, 243. So guys, that relay 43 that you see right here, that's the relay that you need to check. Very important relay. Then open the trunk. In the trunk, on the very back, lift that carpet liner up and you're going to find a spare tire, car battery, and right here on the back side of the battery you have a fuse box. That's a fuse box here, that's a car battery. Press this tab, open the cover, and you have that layout here. Now guys, here what do we need to check? One more relay, and that relay is known as relay 71. That one right here will need to be checked as well. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones, put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.